An ex-girlfriend showed up uninvited after 5 months. Within minutes, the encounter turned physical. What followed was a textbook application of Ohio's mandatory arrest law in domestic violence. By the end of this analysis, you will know exactly why the male victim's plea to drop the case did not matter.
Thank you.
Come on, look at this girl. Look what she did.
He has my game right there.
This game was given to me
has
on
my
Christmas.
game right there.
I haven't been talking to this girl in 5 months. I haven't talked to this girl in 5 months. This game was given to me during Christmas.
It's my
She
game.
called me and asked me if she wanted to talk.
It's my
She came through my house up,
game.
hit me with the cords. Like, I've done nothing to this girl, bro. Broke my house up.
Does she live here?
No, I live
Did
here.
she break in?
Yeah, she done that shit. This is my house. Like,
My game.
Relax, stop.
No, because
Do you
it's
live
my.
here? Do you live
No, it's his house. He let me in. I was about to take my game, and he put his hands on me. Like I have the receipt.
Are you hurt at all?
I'm okay right now, but I have the receipt. I just want to take my game and go. I ain't with him in months. I just want my game and go. I bought the PS5. I have the fucking receipt.
Okay.
Do you need to say it? See it?
Yeah, sure.
Because are you gonna get it for me? If you're not gonna get it for me,
Stay here for a second, okay?
like it's my game.
Hold on.
you're just my child's father. I mean, you're just my daughter's mother. You come in here, f***ing my house up, snatch the game. Yes, she did pay for the game. Like, it was a gift. Yes, she did pay for the game. It was a gift. Like, so how are you getting mad coming here taking shit, trying to break my shit?
She's
Like,
gonna be a third.
they put my hands on this girl. Like that's not fair. Like,
It's my Ashley
I've
Barnett.
heard you say it like 20 times. Just chill out, let us do our thing,
Because I've
okay?
been saying this shit for an
Okay, but it's
hour.
not changing anything, so what's your name?
Ashley, we talking. We've been beefing for a minute. We have a child
Was there a
together.
physical fight with you guys?
He put his hands on me. He always puts his hands on me. I done lost all my fucking charms.
What do you mean when you say he put his hands on you?
Were you here before? No, it wasn't you. It was a different person. I'm so tired of it. I'm so tired. I done lost all my charms on my fucking bracelet. He always putting his hands on me.
So what happened today?
I called him. I was being nice, you know. I wanted to see him. He's like, yeah, you can come over. All I did was ask him, like, oh, you got somebody super near. He started turning up on me. Like, yeah, I got another.
You live here?
No, I don't live here. He told me to come over. He said he's getting off work. I came over, you know. Yeah, I got another. Like, we have a child together. I'm just trying to conversate with him. I didn't let my daughter come over here for a minute, so I'm just trying to conversate with him. Trying to get to an understanding, and it turned left.
Okay.
It turned left. And
You got a car out here, something like that?
yeah,
Which one? Which one's yours?
the white one. The white
Nissan?
Nissan, yeah. But all I wanted was my game. I left it over here. It's my game.
You guys have a kid together, you said?
Yes.
And you don't have any injuries whatsoever?
I got stuff on my hand, but that's it. Like, I don't know.
Let me see your hands.
Like
Flip 'em?
little cutters. Like, but I don't got nothing, I don't think.
Alright, put your phone in the purse real quick.
He be manhandling me. And like, this shit happened
Transmitting
on
back.
fucking. Why I gotta.
Stop. Do not tense up, I will drop you. Stop.
It's gonna
I gotta go
hurt.
to jail?
Stop.
What's going on?
Alright.
What's going on?
Man, you guys got a kid together. It's domestic violence. He's got injuries. You don't, okay?
I got injuries on my hand.
It's okay.
Like,
We'll deal with that.
he cut me.
EMS?
Like, what?
You need EMS.
That's crazy. I'm going to jail?
You need EMS.
I'm going to
On
jail.
this side.
Okay.
Can
You
we
good with her?
talk? Because I'm
We're
confused.
gonna talk when we put you back in the car.
You just want to Mirandize her and get her side of the story.
Y'all really doing this to me?
If he's got injuries,
What is his injury? Because I didn't touch him.
I don't know.
So you didn't even go in there, so I'm confused.
Well, if he grabs you up like that and
Yeah,
starts
he
to
grabbed
arrest
me
you,
up.
that means you're going in cuffs.
So he grabbed me up.
Okay.
Are you serious?
We're gonna figure all that stuff out.
I have nobody. Can I call my mom?
We'll deal with that in just a second.
Oh my God, are you serious right now?
Yes.
Crazy. This nigga beats my ass every
doing what to
time. You're manhandling
Okay.
me.
No,
Like this nigga beats
escorting
my
you.
ass every time.
Trust me, if I was manhandling you, it'd be a lot different. I'm literally just escorting you.
I'm going to jail.
We're gonna figure all that stuff out. All right.
Like I'm so. Are you serious? You could just take it off me.
Look where it's sitting at. So unless these things unhook, we're just under the strap
Are you
right here.
serious?
Yes. Just relax.
Oh my God. It's not domestic violence.
Well, you guys have a kid together.
What does that mean?
It would be. You got anything else on you?
No, what is that? I don't have
Okay,
nothing.
go ahead. It's all in the car.
Do I have to sit in the car? Can I just sit down? Or like, are you gonna sit the
Get in
door?
car. I'm gonna shut the door.
I need to breathe. This out of here. Are you serious?
Put your leg in there, man.
God. I've never been arrested in my life.
Okay.
We can't talk with you unless we read you your rights and then you agree to talk to us. So if you don't want to give your side of the story, I mean, that's up to you, okay?
Like, it doesn't make sense. So I told,
Can
like,
I read you your rights?
you can, but I'm just so confused when I'm the one in the back of the car.
I told you why back there.
No.
Let me read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Okay.
So, he told me he put his hands on me.
Yeah.
And I asked you about injuries. You said you don't have any.
Like-
and then you told me about your hands, but I'm not seeing anything on your hands.
I have a cut on my finger right here. Like, I have cuts on my finger right here.
That looks like an old cut that's healed. It's not even...
No, it just happened today. I swear to
How
God.
did it happen?
I don't know.
Okay.
I was just in there.
Why were
and
you
he
there?
was...
Let's start from the beginning. Why were you there?
Because I called him. We've been, arguing, and I asked him, can we talk? I want to talk to him. I love him. I miss him. So I went in there. I'm trying to talk to him. I sit on his lap, and then we just start arguing. We always argue.
What did you argue about?
Why is he out here?
He's all the way over there. What did you guys argue about?
Because obviously we both love each other, but it's toxic,
And that's what...
I don't
get along,
never.
arguments happen?
Yes,
Okay.
and I don't put my hands on him first. I swear to God, I did not put my hands on him.
How did the argument lead to physical violence between you guys?
He put his hands on me first.
What did he do exactly?
He strong armed me. He's moving me. He's doing this. He about to put it. He choking me. Like I don't know.
Can you lift your head up? Did he choke you around your neck?
Yes.
Were you able to breathe?
I can't remember, but
Did you lose consciousness?
no, I didn't lose
Was
consciousness.
he like
But
pushing
it's
you out
just
of the
like a
apartment?
lot of problems that we always have. No, I left out the apartment by myself.
Okay. And
I
then,
left
then
out
you were
the-
at the window, right?
And then I was at the window because I asked him, can I get my game back?
How
Can I
did all
get
the blinds get damaged?
Because I broke them.
Okay.
I broke them.
I appreciate the honesty.
Yeah, I broke them.
Why does he have injuries on him?
I don't know.
He's got like an abrasion on his arm. He's got marks on his back.
I've never touched him on his back. I swear to God.
The story we're getting is that you hit him with those cords. Is that possible?
I might have. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Issue 1. Ohio's Preferred Arrest Statute and the meaning of the word shall. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2935.032, the language is mandatory. When officers have probable cause to believe domestic violence has occurred, the officer shall arrest. An officer choosing not to arrest must document specific reasons in writing on the report. This is not officer discretion. This is statutory mandate with documentation requirements. Issue 2. Primary aggressor analysis under Ohio Revised Code 2935.03. When both parties claim victim status, officers apply 5 statutory factors: prior history of violence, relative size and strength, extent of visible injuries, whether either party acted in self-defense, and which person likely caused the injuries. Pay attention to what most viewers miss. The asymmetry of injuries here is decisive. Visible abrasions on the male. An old healed cut on the female. The statute writes itself. Issue 3. The victim's wishes and why they cannot override mandatory arrest. The male victim repeatedly told officers he did not want her arrested. Ohio law does not care. Once probable cause and primary aggressor are established, the arrest decision belongs to the state. The prosecutor, not the parties, controls what happens next in court.
What am I supposed to do about my window?
Well, so that's what we're... Do you have contact with the landlord at all?
Yeah, but that make me look like I got domestic violence, like I made that shit happen. All right.
But you didn't. I mean, and our report's gonna obviously say that you didn't. Is the lock?
Act a fool, man.
Is the lock broken on your window?
Yeah.
Or does it is? How did she?
She's snatching the window.
Okay. Here's where we're at right now. Because you guys have a kid together, the physical altercation that happened is domestic violence. Okay. You clearly have injuries. She doesn't. Okay. So I know you said you didn't
Because
want.
I didn't touch her.
Right. And
Right.
so I know you said you didn't want her to go to jail.
All right.
But based off of what we see, she committed domestic violence.
Right.
Okay. So with that, Ohio's a preferred arrest state, which means she has to go. Okay. And as far as that, like obviously when you open the door, she's like half in, trying to reach in. Did she make it through the window, or
No.
just where she was
She
at?
just made it through because I got a stick in there. I got a stick in both of my windows because I live on the bottom floor. Right. I live on the bottom floor. I work all the time. Anybody could go in there. Like, so I got a stick. I don't have screens because of her. Like, she pulled the screens out. Like, every time she come over here, she's being weird. Like, haven't seen this girl in 5 months. Like, haven't seen her in 5 months. Like, only pick up the child and keep it moving. Like this shit is retarded.
Who has the kid right now?
Her mother.
Her mom does? Okay.
I've been trying to call her. I didn't call her mother 10 times.
Her mother.
Oh, is it?
Mother called her.
Hey, try to call her.
I was just defending myself with the courts.
Okay.
Like, I didn't want nothing to happen. Like, I don't know.
Okay. Give me just a moment, all right? Just hold on a second.
Mom, Charles is sending me to jail for a DV when he put his hands on me. Because he has, freaking bruises. Because I was defending myself at his house. So they sending me to jail.
I think you're not telling the whole entire story, but
I am telling the entire story. I defended myself, so I hit him with some cords. That's the entire story.
Okay.
We said we wanted to talk, and then it went left. So now I'm in handcuffs in the back of the car.
Issue 4. Miranda timing in domestic violence arrests. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, decided in 1966, warnings are required before custodial interrogation, not before pre-arrest investigative questioning. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, decided in 1984, spontaneous statements made before custody fully bypass the Miranda framework. Every admission the suspect made before handcuffs is constitutionally bulletproof. Issue 5. The self-defense claim and why it collapses under Ohio law. Self-defense in Ohio requires 3 elements, and the first defeats this claim immediately. The defendant must not have created the situation. Reasonable belief of imminent harm. Proportional force. Showing up uninvited after 5 months and sitting on the victim's lap creates the encounter. Striking with phone cords as the response is also not proportional under any reading. Issue 6. The hidden charges layered on top of domestic violence. Entry through a window without permission triggers Ohio Revised Code 2911.21. That is criminal trespass. Independent charge. Independent sentence exposure. Breaking blinds and striking a window with a rock implicate Ohio Revised Code 2909.06. Criminal damaging. Each act compounds the legal exposure beyond the domestic violence count.
Malik said he's going to come get me, but I don't know. Hello?
Why do you even go over there?
At this point, I don't know.
Oh my God.
Ma'am,
No,
she's
can I
gonna
get
call
my
you
phone?
back
No, I need my
when she
phone.
gets to the county, okay?
No, my mom is talking.
She's gonna call you back when you get to the county.
That's
Do you
weird.
have any fruit like that in this purse? Because it's not gonna go with you to jail because the wagon just pulled up.
It's what?
Wagon just pulled up. So you have
It's
anything
what?
food in this purse?
No. I don't have no food.
So,
It's my son. He's been trying to. It's his baby mom, but he's been trying to leave her alone.
man, come on now. He invited her over. So he ain't trying to leave her alone.
No,
Look, we two
she
men.
showed up here.
Bro, she said she wanted to talk. Like, and I told her it was a bad idea.
Okay, stop. How old are you?
All right, I'm 35, 36.
All right, so you're a little older than me. I've been down this road. This Wrangler road is a mess.
Oh.
You know this chick is unstable.
Oh.
You know she unstable.
Oh, look at her car, I could tell.
Well, that's prime example number one. You know she unstable.
Like she said she wanted to talk, bro. I understand. Like I'm
listen,
like, oh,
listen. Just relax, man. If you know someone like this unstable want to talk to you, you know what you tell them? Hey, man, you can call me everything you want to do over the phone.
she
You
blew
want my
out
kids?
here, bamming on the window. I got the neighbors. What you think I'm
Then
supposed
that's
to?
when you call the police. Hey, man, you can say that woman's outside my door. Babe moms, whichever number
I really
she is.
didn't want her to go to. Like I'm not. Okay.
Hey,
Like, I really didn't.
hey.
She called the police.
We know, she told us.
I really didn't want her to go to jail. I just wanted her out of here. Like I told her, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't hate. Like I told her, I don't hate you. I just don't want no dealings with you. All right.
And with the few seconds me dealing with her, I'm like, I don't want to deal with her. And that was just me walking her from this door to my car. Listen, I'm gonna tell you right now, just cut her off. If you can deal with her to the courts. The courts got an app you can deal with when it comes as far as the kids. Message her on that, she say something crazy on it.
I'm already.
Of course,
we
deal with
already
it.
doing that, bro. We took the DNA. I'm waiting for the DNA to come back. Like,
If it's that bad, bro, I wouldn't even deal with it till the DNA
I've been
hits.
dealing with the girl. Like, she come here, want to talk, want to sit on my lap and talk. No, that's not how co-parents talk. Like, sit over there. We can still talk. Like,
Yeah, that's why I say, man, deal with her up to the phone.
Okay, well, you got
All right, dear. Come on up.
No way.
Come on up.
Oh my God. I can't do this. You're about to handcuff me again.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh
I have
my
to.
God.
All right, dear. You don't have anything illegal on you.
I don't have shit on me.
Stop. Just stop.
Oh my God. I'm ready to sit the back down. I don't
Okay.
care.
Well, you're not going to. You're going to listen to what I say.
Nothing.
Did you damage his window?
What window? No, I
The window
didn't.
that you tried to get into the apartment?
No, it was cracked. I swear to God, I didn't break no window. I was just pulling the blinds. I didn't touch no window. You can see that on the camera. I didn't do nothing to the window.
So you didn't take the rock and hit the window at all?
I hit it, but it didn't break. I swear to God.
Alright.
I swear to God.
Go ahead and climb up in there.
Now we evaluate every action against established law. The lead officer earns an A-. Parties separated immediately. Injuries documented on both sides. Miranda delivered the moment custody began. Statutory basis articulated on camera for documentation. The deduction is one post-Miranda question before an explicit waiver was on record. The suspect earns a D. 3 legal mistakes. Property damage admission before any officer asked. Direct admission of striking with cords. And 3 different versions of the story on camera. 3 quick lessons from this footage. First, in mandatory arrest states, victims cannot drop charges on scene. Second, self-defense fails the moment you create the encounter. Uninvited returns almost always defeat the claim. Third, every spontaneous statement before officers ask is fully admissible. Miranda only protects custodial interrogation. Reasonable minds may disagree on these grades, and the comments will reflect that. Was mandatory arrest the right outcome here? Or should officers have exercised more discretion? Subscribe for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. And remember, every interaction is governed by law.